Beautiful large one bedroom in Brookline. This is entrance. This is the living room. A large living room. Beautiful hardwood floors. High ceiling. Lots of light. Separate kitchen. All stainless steel appliances. Comes with a dishwasher, microwave, window in the kitchen, granite countertops. This is the bedroom. Large bedroom, can fit a king size or queen size bed. It's another entrance from outside. Large closet. Nice bathroom, clean. Windows in the bedroom. Beautiful apartment. If you wanna view it, call me or text me. Thanks so much for watching the video. Have a great day.